children, how are you all? Hope you all are absolutely fit and fine at your place. So children, do you remember what we have done in our last lecture? Is there anybody who can tell me what was the last topic? Yes, so we have completed our chapter number 4, fractions. Right? I hope the concept of fractions is clear to you all. Now we have to start with the new chapter, that is chapter 11, money. Okay, we have already done this chapter in our 4th standard and in our 3rd standard also. So I hope the concept of money for converting paise to rupees and rupees to paise is clear to you all. And along with that, making a bill, that is also clear to you. And if I talk about this standard, so in this standard, in chapter 11, money, we are going to firstly discuss about unitary method. Okay, so let us start that what is the unitary method? How do we solve the questions using unitary method? Okay, so let us start. Suppose if you have given the cost of 6 pencils, if you have given the cost of 6 pencils and the cost of 6 pencils is rupees 30, right? And you have to find out the cost of 12 pencils. You have given the cost of 6 pencils and you have to find out the cost of 12 pencils. So for that, what you will do? First of all, we will find out the cost of 1 pencil. Okay, so let us start finding cost of 1 pencil. If we have given for many and we have to find out for 1, then what do? We divide. So we will divide this 30 by this 6, right? So 30 divided by 6 is 5. So it means cost of 1 pencil is rupees 5. Now we have got the cost of 1 pencil and we have to find out the cost of 12 pencils, right? We have given for 1 and we have to find out for many. It means we have to find out for 12 pencils. So what do when we have given for 1 and we have to find out for many? We always multiply. So we will multiply the cost of 1 pencil with this 12. So 5 multiplied by this number 12. So 12 5s are 60. Okay. So that is why the cost of 12 pencils will be rupees 60. Right. So this is our unitary method. Now I am going to attach a clip and you will understand this unitary method in a better way through that clip. So let's enjoy the clip now.
Let's go shopping with Miss Honey. She will also explain us the unitary method while shopping. Hello kids! In problems related to unitary method, the cost of many things would be given. We have to find the cost of many more or less things. For doing this, we first go from many to 1 and then from 1 to many, which we have already learnt. So, let's begin shopping and learning together. I have to buy some books. There are 8 books here. These 8 books cost 80 rupees. But I need only 5 books. So, let's find out what will be the cost of 5 books. First, let's see what information we have. There are 8 books. 8 books cost 80 rupees. Now let us see what we have to find out. What will be the cost of 5 books? So, here we first need to find out the value of 1 book. Now, to get the value of one book, we have to divide the total value of books with the total number of books. So, here we divide 80 by 8 to get the cost of one book. We know 10 into 8 is equal to 80. So, we will write 10 as the quotient. Now, write 80 below the dividend. Here, let's subtract 80 from the dividend. We get 0 as the remainder. Therefore, cost of one book is equal to rupees 80 divided by 8 is equal to 10 rupees. Now, to find out the cost of 5 books, we multiply the cost of one book into number of books. Therefore, cost of 5 books is equal to rupees 10 into 5, which is equal to rupees 50. We got the answer. Cost of 5 books is rupees 50. Yippee! Let me pay for the books.
Okay, so I hope the concept of unitary method is clear to you all. Now what next? Now we have to start with our exercise questions. Exercise 11.1. Okay, it is based on the topic unitary method. So let us start with question number 1. Question number 1 is the cost of 8 notebooks is rupees 96. Find the cost of 12 such notebooks. So I have explained you with the help of an example. So how will you solve this question now? First of all, we will write the cost of 8 notebooks. The cost of 8 notebooks is rupees 96. And first of all, we will find out the cost of one notebook. If we have given for many and we have to find out for one, what we will do? We will divide. So 96 divided by 8, right? After that, we have to find out the cost of 12 such notebooks. So for that, we will write here cost of 12 notebooks. And then if we have given for one and we have to find out for many, then we will multiply the cost of one notebook by this 12. So 96 divided by 8 multiplied by 12. Now as we all know that this 8 and 12 both are divisible by 4. So we can divide these both by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Now 96 and 2, these both are divisible by 2. So we can divide these both by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. Right? Now we have to multiply the remaining part. So 48 multiplied by 3. 3 8s are 24, 2 carry. 3 4s are 12, 12 and 2 14. So rupees 144 will be the cost of 12 notebooks. Right? So that is how we have to solve this question. Now let's come to next question. Now the next question here is a car moves 50 km in 1 hour. Find the distance covered by same car in 45 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So it means we have given the distance covered in 60 minutes and we have to find out the distance covered in 45 minutes. Right? So let us start finding distance covered in 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Distance covered in 60 minutes, which is equal to 50 km. So the distance covered in 1 minute will be equal to 50 divided by 60, right? Then the distance covered in 45 minutes will be equal to 50 divided by 60 multiplied by 45. Now we can cut this 0 by this 0. Okay. Now this 6 and 45 both are divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 15s are 45. Now we will multiply the remaining part. 15 5s are 75. 75 by 2. Now if we will divide this 75 by 2, what we will get? You can divide it roughly. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. And 2 5s are 10. Okay. So 37 1 by 2 kilometer, or you can say 37.5 kilometer distance was covered in 45 minutes, right? So this is the way to solve these kind of questions. Now we will move to next question. Now the next question is, a worker is paid rupees 4,507 rupees and 50 paise for 15 days. How much would he be paid for 25 days? Now we have given the amount paid to the worker for 15 days and we have to find out amount paid to the worker for 25 days. So let us start finding. Amount paid for 15 days is equal to rupees 4,507.50 and amount paid for 25 days will be, first of all, we will find out the amount paid for 1 day. So here I am going to write 1 day. Amount paid for 1 day is equal to 4,507.50 by 15. And then we have to find out the amount paid for 25 days. For that we will multiply this by 25. Multiplied by 25. Now, as we all know, this 15 and 25 both are divisible by 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. Now, we will divide this 4,507.50 by 3. So let us start dividing. 3 1s are 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 5s are 15, then 0, then 3 2s are 6, point, 3 5s are 15 and this 0. So this has come 1502.50 multiplied by 5. Now we will find out the product of these two. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, 10 and 2 12, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 1s are 5 and 2 7. So rupees 7,512.50, or we can say rupees 7,512 and 50 paise was paid to the worker for 25 days. Right? Now, children, I have not done question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is your homework. Now, let's come to next question. Then the next question is question number 8. A bus ticket costs rupees 300 341 for a journey of 62 km? How much would it cost for a journey of 540 km? So we have given the cost of ticket for 62 km and we have to find out the cost of ticket for 540 km. So let us start finding cost of ticket for 62 km is rupees 341 and cost of ticket for 1 kilometer will be equal to 341 by 62 divided by 62 because we are finding for 1 and we have given for many. Now, cost of ticket for 540 kilometer will be equal to 341 by 62 multiplied by 540. Now, we all know that the 62 and 540 both are divisible by 2. So, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 and here 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 270 will come, right? Now, if we will divide this 341 by 31, what we will get? 341 divided by 31. 31 ones are 31. Then again 1. So it will go on 11. So 31 11s are 341. Now we will multiply this 11 by 270. So I am going to multiply here. 1 zeros are 0, 1 sevens are 7, 1 twos are 2. Again 0, 7, 2. And that is equal to rupees 2970. When we will multiply this 270 by 11, we will get rupees 2970. Right? So, in all the questions of this exercise, we have to follow this method only. Okay? Now, let's come to last question of this exercise. Now, the next question is question number 9. Veena went to a shop and saw the Diwali offers on various items. Which offer should she go for? First is 25 candles for rupees 40 or 30 candles for rupees 45. So for which offer she should go? First of all, we have given here the cost of 25 candles which is equal to rupees 40. So if I write here cost of 25 candles is rupees 40, then cost of one candle will be equal to 40 by 25 and here she is getting 30 candles for rupees 45. But if I see according to this rate, if 25 candles cost rupees 40, then the cost of 30 candles will be equal to 40 by 25 multiplied by 30. Now as we all know, this 25 and 30 both are divisible by 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 6 are 30. Now this 40 and 5 are again divisible by 5. So 5 1s are 5 and 5 8s are 40. Now if we multiply the remaining part, 8 6 are 48. So it means if she goes for this offer, then the cost of 30 candles will be equal to rupees 48. But she is getting here 30 candles for rupees 45. So for which offer she will go? She will go for 30 candles for rupees 45. Right? Because here she is getting for rupees 48 and here she is getting for rupees 45. So this will be the cheaper. Okay. So she will go for 30 candles for rupees 45. So she will go for this offer. Now if I talk about B part, then in B part we have given 15 garlands for rupees 150 and 5 garlands for rupees 60. So if I talk about 15 garlands, then cost of 15 garlands is equal to rupees 150 and cost of one garland will be equal to 150 by 15, right? Likewise, the cost of 5 garlands will be equal to 150 by 15 multiplied by this 5. Now this 15 and 5 both are divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. Now 150 and 3 are again divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 50s are 150. So it means cost of 5 garland is rupees 50 here. Okay. And here she is getting 5 garlands for rupees 60. So which one is the best offer for her? The best offer for her is this one, 15 garlands for rupees 150, because here she will get the cost, she will get 5 garlands for rupees 50. So she will go for this offer, 15 garlands for rupees 150. Right? Now we have done all the questions of this exercise. So that's all for today, children. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Goodbye.